Sharing with you today 3 ways that you can generate passive income that you may be missing. And so, as business owners, we're constantly on the move to grow our business, to generate a little bit more revenue, to improve our products and services, to streamline our business, to hire help. Like, you guys know all the puzzle pieces. And so, there's a strategy that a lot of us miss. And that's generating some additional income from resources that we have available that we freely recommend. Like, I can't tell you how many clients recommend certain items, products, programs, books, all kinds of things, and never use an affiliate code to do it. So make sure that you're setting yourself up to generate as much passive income as possible, because those little $2, $10, $15 commissions from affiliates or sales, sometimes they're a lot more, but even those small ones, just imagine over the course of a few years, you recommend 5 or 10 people a year. Now all of a sudden, let's say you do five at $15. That's $75 every single month or once a year. Either way, it's okay. What could you do with 75 bucks? Not a whole lot these days, but you can do something, right? Now do it as a recurring revenue, and now you have 75 bucks coming in every month. Start compounding that every single month. 75, 75, 75, 75. There's $300. Do it over the course of a year, and you're paying for a nice car payment. Over the course of 5 or 10 years, it starts adding up and you can collect thousands from this. So follow these 3 strategies. Before I get into them, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video. I appreciate each and every comment. I respond to them myself. I'm really grateful that you're watching this today. So back to this. So the first thing you can do is any product that you're using in your business, people are going to ask you, hey, how do you do this? I saw this on your social media. How'd you get that banner? Hey, how'd you make that link work? How'd you do this? How'd you launch that program? All of these things that you have to buy tools for or programs to use are potential income resources for you. People are going to ask you what you do. It's going to be your clients, people that you know, or people that see you if you're on social media or out in public. They're going to ask you. And so what you do is create a resource page. Every single program that you have to use, become an affiliate to it. And then use that code. Every new client, send them that resource page. Hey, if you're looking for this, or this, here's some links to it. It's an affiliate, by the way. Like, don't be shy or afraid to say that. It's an affiliate, by the way. You'll pay the same exact price, but I get a little benefit from it. People are okay with that. Right? Don't ever shy away from that piece. The second one is any product or programs that help your clients. There may be products or programs that you do a little bit of research on if you're a coach, especially for your clients, and you say, hey, based on what you're doing, I looked this product up, or somebody else that I know uses this product, you should check it out. Here's a link to it, right? That's the key. Here's a link to it. Let me send it to you. Or I already sent it. Don't tell them before you send the link, because you already know this. You'll say, hey, there's this one thing. And before you know it, they're not looking in the screen anymore. They're looking up here at their screen, already typing it in. Oh, yeah, I'm at that website already. No, send them your link. Get paid for this. Those are 2 ways you can create passive income. Some programs pay you 30, 40, 50% affiliate commission by just referring that program to them. It's worth it to them. They keep making money over and over and over again for the same thing they created years ago, so they can afford 50% commission in some cases. Why not make the money yourself? I know the person that recommended Kajabi to me is making a commission every single month off of me. And that commission has given him thousands and thousands of dollars because I've had it for years. Thousands. Just one account, right? I know there's at least 5 people that I know that he's recommended it to. That's just what I know. And he's been at this for years. Trust me, he doesn't work that hard because he's smart with affiliates. So create passive income. Create passive income. The third thing is any products that you create and sell that you sell to people, create an affiliate program for that, offer them 40 or 50%. The reason that you want to do a high percentage on this is because it stops them, for the most part, unless it's a relative that they like, from giving it to them, giving them access to it, because there's something in it for them now. You give me 40% commission on a $1,000 program, I'm not just going to give it to someone else. I'm going to say, hey, here's a link to something, because there's a benefit for me as much as it is staying in integrity. When you can combine both of those together, you have a much better chance of staying in integrity and earning some additional funds. So you make 60%, they make 40%. If you give 50-50, I would give that in a minute if somebody was selling my program for me, especially after I've worked through all the kinks and I've ran that program through enough times that I've made my money at it. It's covered all my expenses. Now everything else is gravy from here on out, except for the minimal expenses of housing it and then delivering it. So there's ways to make passive income. You're missing the boat if you don't have a resource page that you can share with your customers or your clients, or in your social media. If you're not posting occasionally, hey, do you ever use this? I put a link down below. You might want to check this out. It's just like the TikTok phenomena, right? There's tons of people right now getting free products and going, hey, you should try this face cream. Look, boom, and they put it on, and they not only make free product, but some people are knocking it out the roof. They're knocking it through the roof or whatever it is, out the door. But they're really taking advantage of what's available now and creating passive sources of income. You can do this too. And I hope that this video helped you or inspired you to start doing it today. Thank you.